Welcome to another PRReach.com video news release. In today's news, ZofranLegal.com reports a new Zofran lawsuit. Massachusetts mother alleges drug caused heart defects. In a wave of lawsuits, at least 10 plaintiffs have accused GlaxoSmithKline of concealing vital safety information from the health community and public. Families say that prenatal exposure to Zofran, an anti-nausea drug often prescribed off-label for morning sickness, caused their children to develop birth defects. In their complaints, parents claim that the company has been aware of Zofran's potential risks for more than 2 decades. But citing charges filed by the U.S. Department of Justice in 2012, plaintiffs say that GlaxoSmithKline has been actively promoting this allegedly harmful drug for use during pregnancy. On February 16, 2015, a mother in Boston brought what many legal experts believe to be the first Zofran birth defect claim against GlaxoSmithKline. Her lawsuit would introduce many of the allegations that subsequent plaintiffs have echoed in their own complaints. The mother says that she began taking Zofran as a treatment for morning sickness early in her first trimester. She delivered her child, referred to as AS in court documents, in 2000. The plaintiff claims that her daughter was soon diagnosed with a number of congenital abnormalities, including 3 congenital heart defects, atrial septal defect, right ventricular hypertension, and aortic arch hypoplasia. The child was subsequently diagnosed with facial dysmorphia, low-set ears, hearing loss, sensitivity to light, inguinal hernia, and webbed toes. Plaintiff writes that her child has been forced to undergo no less than 10 surgeries during the first 12 years of her life. She cites a series of epidemiological studies performed in Denmark and Sweden that supports an association between prenatal exposure to Zofran and an increased risk for congenital heart defects. At least 3 studies have found a link between Zofran and so-called cardiac septal defects, including the atrial septal defect, with which the plaintiff's daughter was allegedly born. The plaintiff also refers to more than 200 reports of birth defects with suspected ties to Zofran exposure. She claims that GlaxoSmithKline has been receiving these reports since as early as 1992. But the company, according to her allegations, has not responded to what she considers reasonable evidence of Zofran's association with major birth defects. GlaxoSmithKline has utterly failed to warn the health community and public of Zofran's potential risks, she alleges. In fact, the company has been actively promoting Zofran for use during pregnancy, plaintiff claims. Citing a 2012 lawsuit filed by the U.S. federal government, plaintiff accuses GlaxoSmithKline of unlawfully marketing Zofran for an unapproved use, the treatment of morning sickness during pregnancy. She says that the company has been misrepresenting Zofran as a safe and effective drug for pregnant women to take in the face of mounting evidence to the contrary. Led by Michael Monheit, Esquire, Monheit Law has joined an alliance of experienced, dangerous pharmaceutical drug lawyers to investigate the claims of parents who believe that exposure to Zofran may have caused their children to develop birth defects. The attorneys are currently providing free consultations and case evaluations. For more information, visit the link below. And to learn more about this video news release, visit PRReach.com.